Welcome to Tania's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time and money when buying, refinancing, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Tania Discombe of Mortgage Alliance, the #1 mortgage choice for home buyers. Now, here's your money tip.
Okay, today we're going to talk about how to avoid renovation nightmares. We've all heard the stories of massive cost overruns, missed deadlines, shoddy work. It's no wonder why so many people are afraid of renovations. But avoiding such nightmares isn't difficult. All you have to do is do some upfront legwork. Here are 4 things you can do to avoid renovation mishaps. Number 1, talk to neighbors, coworkers, and friends. We all know somebody who's had renovations. Find out who they used, what their experience was, and whether they'd use them again. Was the design good? Did they execute it well? Were there any delays? Did they stick to the budget? Most important, when unexpected problems came up, mold, asbestos, original construction oddities, did they discuss them immediately and issue a new budget and schedule? Number 2, ask to see their previous clients' renovations. Make sure you're satisfied with the quality of work you see. Number 3, do some online research. Check each company's ratings and standards on Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Houzz.com, Google, Yelp, etc. Number 4, gauge your comfort level. What makes you feel most comfortable about renovating? Is it the price? Is it how beautiful the end product is? Is it how buttoned down the renovator is on organization and cost control? Or do you love technical details and want to understand every decision being made? Talk about this with prospective renovators. They should have questions too. Get to know each other and make sure you're comfortable working together. For more information on how you can use your home equity to fund your home renovations, or for a recommendation on a reno expert in your area, call us today.
Thank you for watching this episode of Tania's Money Tips. If you have any questions, please call Tania today at 403-890-2861.